In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and play Beach Match on your phone. So first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. Then you're going to tap on your search box at the very top of your screen. And then you're just going to type in the name of your game, which is Beach Match. And then just search for it. After that, you will be able to see here your game on the front page. So you're going to tap on that. And then just tap on install. Once you tap on install, you're just gonna wait until your game has been installed into your device. And once it's done, you can just tap on play. This is the home page of the screen, and you will be able to see here the level you're on at the lower side of your screen. Right now I'm on level 3, so you're just gonna tap on your level and then just tap on play. If you have ever played Candy Crush game, it's similar to that one. You're just gonna match 3 or more colors by moving them, and then you're gonna reach the target mentioned at the upper side of your screen. Right now, as you can see here, that I wanna match 20 blue colors and 20 green colors. And as you can see here, the mission has been completed. In the similar way, you can play this game.